All right, so this is a video where we are going to talk about energy and reactions exercise number 1. And the goal of this exercise is really to get used to some of the terminology and the fact that we can talk about things with different words that mean the same thing, right? There's some things that are tied together when it comes to energy and reactions. And so the first thing that you're going to do in this particular exercise is make sure that we're all on the same page in terms of reactants and products. So the left side of our reaction arrow, those are our reactants, right? So anything to the left and anything to the right is a product. And that's important because we have reactions that include energy. And so in this particular case, there's our energy as a product. And what I'm trying to express here is that when you have energy as a product, that means energy is being released, right? Products are made. And if you have released energy, that's referred to as an exothermic reaction. And what we know is from our delta H calculations that that's a negative delta H. And so what I want you to get used to with this particular exercise is that these three terms go together, right? Energy being released, a negative delta H, and an exothermic reaction. Those always go hand in hand. And so if we look at our second example, again, anything to the left of the arrow is a reactant. Anything to the right of the arrow is a product. And so when we go to look for our energy in this case, there it is on the reactant side. And so when energy is on the reactant side, it's being absorbed, right? That's part of what you need to make this reaction happen is you need to put energy in. If energy is absorbed, it's referred to as an endothermic reaction. And as we know from our delta H calculations, it's a positive delta H. So again, what we see here is that these top three go together, right? If you have an endothermic reaction, you have a positive delta H always, and energy is absorbed. So again, I want you to get used to being able to talk about energy using any of these terms and making sure that you can link them together. So take care of this exercise because there are more to come.